Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, privet. Today's video is on Scratch Art Oil Pastel Mandala Art. Start by choosing a vibrant colors for your background. Fill the entire paper with the chosen color, making sure to cover every corner. This will be the base for your scratch style mandala. Let me share some tips on oil pastel scratch art. First, use a heavyweight paper for better results. The thickness of the paper prevents it from tearing during the scratching process. Second, apply multiple layers of oil pastel to create a rich and vibrant base. Layering different colors adds depth to your artwork and provides a colorful foundation for the scratch style technique. Third, experiment with color combinations. Well, in this video I focused on color combinations rather than layering techniques. So experiment with colors that are different or go together in your scratch art. If you pick strong colors, the lines you scratch will really stand out and make your art look amazing. Fourth, blend oil pastel colors together to create smooth transitions and gradients. Blending can be done with your fingers or a blending stump. Here I only used a blending stump to blend because these oil pastels are not as soft as Mungo oil pastels. So using fingers to blend them isn't possible. If you try, it won't blend well and might have some grainy bits behind. Fifth, use different scratch tools. Try out different things like toothpicks, empty pen refill or the tool that comes with the oil pastel set. Sixth, if you are starting with oil pastel scratch art, start with an easy mandala design. As you feel more sure about it, you can slowly try more detailed and fancy patterns. Once you have scratched off the top layers, use a small pointed tool to add detailed touches or fix specific parts. Doing this carefully can make your oil pastel scratch art look even better. Eighth, put a sheet or newspaper under your art to catch the pastel dust when you scratch. It helps with cleaning up and keeps your workspace tidy. Lastly, make sure to cover the paper completely with oil pastel without any gaps. If there are gaps and you apply paint, it might seep through, creating a messy background. Now it's time to paint with black. I am using poster color, but you might see that it doesn't cover the oil pastel layer well. To solve this, I am using talcum powder to make sure the oil pastel layer gets fully covered. I am not sure if anyone has tried this method before, but it's new to me. If you have seen or known about this technique, please share in the comments. Honestly, when I saw the scratchbooks that artists bought online, I wondered how they had a matte finish, because when you use acrylic paint with or without dishwasher gel, it usually gives a shiny look. So after thinking a lot, I came up with this idea. Once it's dry, you can see how this piece has a matte finish. Well, let me quickly tell you what I did. First, I covered the paper entirely with oil pastels, and then I used poster colors and talcum powder on top of the oil pastel. Second, I took an empty pen refill and put it in a compass, securing it with a paintbrush to make sure it doesn't fall. This made it easier for me to draw the circles. Third, to make sure my designs are even on both sides, I used a ruler. Drawing carefully is important because if I make a mistake, I can fix it. Lastly, after scratching, some parts might not come off easily. In those cases, I used a compass to scratch them away. Once the design was done, there were some extra scratches. To fix that, I used paint and powder to cover them up. So this is how I did it. Also, one thing I want to say, if you don't like my voice, you can mute the video and turn on captions. However, I might not have captions for a bit because my laptop is broken and editing on my phone is a bit tricky. I will still do my best to add captions soon. And that's how you create a lovely scratch art oil pastel mandala. Remember, in art, there are no strict rules. So go ahead and try out your own ideas. If you like this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and share your artworks with us. If you are an artist, share your video, tag me at @GMCreation7 and use the hashtag #NewScratchArt. Until next time, keep making art and expressing yourself. Happy crafting!